What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Cozey and their one-of-a-kind modular couches. So I've had this couch for about a month now, and it's made my living space a lot more comfortable and has also allowed me to be more productive. So let's check it out. So I first started off using their website function that uses AR technology, where I can view my space, figure out what kind of layout couch-wise would work in the space I had, along with helping choose the correct colors that goes along with the colors of my wall. Also, something that I really love that Cozey does is if you go to their website, you can request to order swatches so you can see their different colors and textures that their couches would come in. Before I get into the couch itself, I do want to state that there is a 30-day trial. This means that you can test out the couch for a month, and if you decide that you don't like it, you can pack it up and send it back and get a full refund. They also do have a 5-year warranty, which is super nice. Once I picked out the couch, I was able to get in touch with one of their interior designers. You can book a consultation with one through their website. I honestly thought it was super useful because it helped me get my space organized and matching. The best part was that they were able to match my couch with a nice washable rug, style set, along with an amazing unit, which all looks super dope. Before I got started to putting the couch together, I first started out by laying out my rug. One of the best things about this rug is that it comes with a non-slip rug pad along with tuckable corners, which doesn't allow the rug to move or get those unwanted creases that other rugs occasionally have. Cozey's washable rug also comes in 2 sizes, an 8x10 and a 5x10. They also come in 6 different designs, which includes the one I have, the Jeffrey, and the 8x10 size. Now into the couch, I went with a couch that was part of the Ciello collection, which was the sectional with an ottoman in the color Dream Gray. I got the configuration, and one of the great things about Cozey couches, if you do not like your configuration or want to add another seat, you can actually buy a single cushion where you can add an extension or simply just remove one. Another thing that I feel like that will become one of my favorite factors is that the couch cushions are actually washable by removing their cover, which is going to be very handy, especially if you have kids. When it comes to putting the actual couch together, I would suggest having a second hand to help, as some parts it can be tricky if you're doing it alone. The couch set is also toolless, which is very nice because you won't have tools everywhere. The couch comes with an instruction booklet with detailed instructions and pictures, but there's also quite a few videos online to look up. Once the couch was put together, I fluffed up all the cushions along with putting together the style set accessories chosen. For the style set, I chose the Desert Dream, which comes with a throw and 3 cushions. With the configurations along with the different accessories chosen, it certainly made my space a lot more comfy. It's a space where I feel like I can be a lot more productive along with being more comfortable. I would also really like to give a shout out to the ottoman, as it's become more of a space for my nephew to store his toys, but also a place where he likes to sit in too. The Stella Media unit is also something that I'm really happy with. They come in 3 pieces that can be put together and hold a TV, or can be used separately as side tables. I enjoy having the option because if needed, I can separate them and use them as a small table when guests are over, or keeping it to hold my TV together. The setup was also very easy, being toolless and lightweight as well. So I hope this video helped you in some way, especially if you're in the market looking for a new couch. I highly recommend checking this one out. And also, if you have any questions about their products, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to respond ASAP. There you have it. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.